Hello and welcome to Climatiq's Excel How-To series. In these videos, we'll show you how to get started with our Excel add-in and start making audit-ready carbon emission estimates in Excel. The Excel add-in allows you to access Climatiq's database containing hundreds of thousands of emission factors and deliver Scope 1, 2, and 3 carbon insights directly in your familiar Excel environment. Results are GHG Protocol and ISO compliant and come with a full audit trail, making them suitable for reporting processes. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Products drop-down on our website and go to the Integration section. From there, you can select the Excel add-in. Click the big installation button on the page to get started, and this will redirect you to the official Microsoft App Source store, where you can click the Get It Now button. This will install the add-in to your local device. You can utilize the add-in in Excel Online or Excel Desktop, whichever you prefer. After the installation, the add-in will pop up automatically, but you can also open it by clicking the Climatiq logo on the top right-hand side. You'll be guided through some onboarding steps to get you familiar with the capabilities of the add-in, followed by a use case questionnaire to help you get started with some targeted worked examples. After selecting your use cases of interest, you'll see your chosen examples launch in your Excel workbook as a new sheet. These will help you get started with making your first calculations. To start exploring, just edit some of the sample data provided and observe how the outputs change. The bottom row has been left free for you to add your own data from scratch if you'd like, so you can see the carbon estimates that are magically outputted in the spreadsheet from your own example. So how does this work? Looking at the first output column, you'll see there's a formula. Essentially, the add-in makes calculations using custom Climatiq formulas. Each use case, such as freight or procurement, has a dedicated formula and requires different inputs in order to perform the calculation. To explore the different formulas we have available, you can head over to the Formulas tab in the Excel task pane. There's a drop-down to help you navigate between the different formulas. Whether you need to calculate emissions for air travel, procurement, CBAM, or something else, we have many dedicated formulas to cover a range of use cases. You will also notice that for each formula, we have a brief description of what it does, the formula itself, including all the possible inputs you can provide, as well as which of those inputs are absolutely essential to make a calculation. This is outlined in the required input section. We also have a linked video tutorial walking you through how to use each formula, plus the official Climatiq documentation if you prefer written guidance. Next, we'll look at the templates. We have a pre-built Climatiq template that you can easily insert to start calculating. This provides some examples for each feature of the add-in broken up into the GHG protocol scopes. We have already added some fictitious data and applied the formulas for a quick start and further testing on your side. The templates are simply intended to help you get started. However, please note that you're free to use the add-in in any file of your choice. The Climatiq formulas will work in any Excel workbook. This gives you the option to use the Climatiq Excel add-in in your pre-existing files of business data, or alternatively create your own templates that work for you. We also have some guides on the units, regions, currency, field types, and suppliers that you can use in the Climatiq add-in. Think of these as quick cheat sheets that you can insert into any workbook to easily reference when making calculations. For example, you can use these to find the right country codes for your region or a currency code for a spend-based procurement calculation. Lastly, we have a handy support tab where you can join one of our live demos, access our YouTube playlist, contact support, increase your calculation allowance, and find answers to frequently asked questions. You've now got everything you need to start calculating using the Climatiq Excel add-in. To learn how to use the formulas and explore the different use cases covered, please feel free to watch the next videos in our Excel How-To series. I'll see you in the next video.